Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will simply show you two ways on how you can block spam text messages on your Android. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In this tutorial video, I will simply show you two simple methods on how you can block spam text messages on Android. One is by using the inbuilt feature, the other is by using the third-party feature. So in order to use the inbuilt feature, nowadays even smartphone developers know and realize that you might want to block some of the spam text messages. You might have the Google messaging app in your case, or you could be using Samsung stock messaging app, or if you're on Oppo, Realme, you could be using those applications as well. So what you have to do is you can simply open up your messages app, which is your default messaging app. Once you open up your app, what you can do is simply actually tap on the three dots on the top right. Now in your case the option could be different, and you can find this option which says spam and blocked. So all you have to do is tap on the spam and blocked section. As you tap on spam and blocked, you can see it says spam and blocked conversations will automatically appear here. Now by default your Android will already have an inbuilt feature on whether or not it can detect spam or not. But if you want to also improve this feature, then on the top right tap on the three dot which you see. As you tap on three dot, you can see blocked contacts. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see you can actually block calls from unidentified callers. So you can tap on unknown numbers. You could go ahead and simply block calls or any type of messages from unknown numbers. You'll also see here it says you will no longer receive calls or SMS from blocked numbers. Now this is basically the first way to do it if you have the feature by default. If you don't have the feature by default, in that case there are a bunch of apps in the App Store which can help you with it. So go ahead and open your Play Store app, and in the search box you can simply type in spam blocker or spam messages blocker, some kind of keywords like that. So I will go ahead and then simply select it right over here. You can see spam blocker for Android. You can use this application which is really popular. You could install this app. You can also see some of the instructions on how you can use it as well. And these are simply the two ways on how you could very easily block spam text messages on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.